Okay, pop quiz. What's the one place you dread checking, but secretly holds the key to unlocking some of the internet's best kept secrets? That's your inbox. But don't click away just yet, because today we're flipping the script and diving into the exciting world of paid newsletters, where your email becomes less of a chore and more of a treasure hunt. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Okay, paid, but I get so much free stuff online already. And you're right, we're practically drowning in free content right now, but here's the real question we're answering today. Should you, as a creator, actually start a paid email newsletter? What if I told you there's a secret garden out there filled with exclusive insights, deep dives, and content so good it's not just worth every single penny for your audience, but also maybe a thriving path for you? That's the magic of paid newsletters. And today we're breaking down why they're having a serious moment, why your audience might be willing to dish out that money and pay, and why starting one could be the smartest move you make today. So why are people suddenly reaching for their wallets when it comes to their inboxes? And more importantly, why should you consider offering that option? Number one, value beyond measure and the opportunity to provide it. Think about it. When you pay for something, you expect quality, right? It's like the difference between getting a free cookie at the supermarket that might be a little stale versus walking into a gourmet bakery and getting a warm, chewy, artisanal masterpiece. Paid newsletters are often written by experts, enthusiasts, and people who are just really passionate about their niche. And as a creator, this allows you to pour your best stuff into these emails because, well, your subscribers are demonstrating their commitment already by paying for it. And also, fun fact, did you know that some of the earliest forms of newsletters were actually paid? Back in the 17th century, wealthy individuals would pay scribes to gather and distribute handwritten news and gossip. So, in a way, we're just kind of getting back to our roots. And reason number two, cutting through the noise for your audience and finding a dedicated audience for you. Our inboxes are often like a digital junk drawer, and you got promotion, spam, and email from your aunt about that cat. It's a lot, but paid newsletters are a curated experience. They're like VIP access to content your subscribers actually want to read without all the distractions. From your perspective as a creator, this means you're reaching people who are actively seeking out your specific content and are less likely to miss your emails in the clutter. It's focused, it's intentional, and it's a more effective way to connect with your true fans. Imagine your audience's inbox as a fancy dinner party. Do they want 50 random strangers yelling over each other, or a smaller, more intimate gathering of fascinating people they choose to invite? Yeah, I thought so. And you want to be one of those chosen few. Direct support for creators, and a powerful monetization model for you. This one is a huge one. When someone subscribes to your paid newsletter, they're directly supporting you and the valuable content you create. It's like being a digital patron of the arts, but for your inbox. This allows you to focus on producing incredible stuff without being solely beholden to fickle algorithms or chasing advertising dollars. It fosters your independence and allows you to dedicate more time and energy to creating high quality content. And here's where the stats come in, just real quick. The paid newsletter landscape is growing. According to some estimates, the global newsletter market is projected to reach over $1 billion in the coming years. More and more people are seeing the value in paying for focused, expert content delivered directly to their inbox. And platforms like Substack and ConvertKit have seen creators earning 6- and 7-figure incomes from their paid newsletters. This isn't just a sideline anymore. For many, it's becoming their primary source of income. And here's a little secret for you. Many successful creators actually prefer paid newsletters because it builds a stronger, more engaged community. It's like they're talking directly to their biggest fans, not just shouting into the void. This dedicated audience can lead to much higher open rates, more engagement, and ultimately a more sustainable and fulfilling creative career. So, who's crushing it in the paid newsletter game? Well, we're seeing actually everything from deep dives into specific industries to exclusive recipes to even newsletters dedicated to super obscure historical facts. There's honestly a paid newsletter out there for practically every niche right now. And If you're a creator yourself, this is honestly a golden opportunity. The question, should you start a paid email newsletter, has a resounding yes. If you have expertise, a passion for your niche, and are looking to build a direct, valuable relationship with your audience, the barriers to entry are lower than ever, and with MailerLite, you can set up your own paid newsletter with surprising ease. It's a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and build a loyal audience. Yeah, of course, that was a shameless plug. But think about it. Instead of chasing advertising dollars, you're building a direct relationship with your most dedicated readers. It's a win-win for everybody. Setting up your paid newsletter with MailerLite. And guess what? MailerLite also lets you run paid newsletters directly on the platform. If you're interested in diving into the practical side of setting this all up, here's a quick breakdown. And if you want an even deeper dive, I'll actually put a link down below in the description to the full blog article. First, you'll need to sign up for MailerLite and Stripe. If you're a solo creator, no worries, you can just activate your Stripe account as a sole proprietorship. Once your accounts are ready, you want to connect them together. So in your MailerLite dashboard, you can do this from the integration section. This lets you use Stripe's credit card payment system with MailerLite seamlessly. Next, you'll add your newsletter as a product in Stripe. Give it a name, description, and decide on the pricing, one time or reoccurring at that. After saving, you can then display this product on the landing pages built with MailerLite, complete with smooth payment functionality. We recommend creating a dedicated landing page to promote your paid newsletter though, and MailerLite's builder also makes this super easy to design a professional page, even using your own custom domain. You can introduce your product, highlights, the value, and even include customer testimonials using the ready-made blocks. To integrate your paid newsletter for purchase, just drag the Stripe product block onto your landing page, select your newsletter product, and you're good to go. Every new paid subscriber automatically receives a confirmation email. Plus, you can customize billing and payment settings right in your Stripe dashboard, like your branding or cancellation policies, for example. And who knows, maybe in a few years, we'll all be bragging about our exclusive newsletter subscriptions like we used to about our cable packages. Seriously though, if you're looking to elevate your content consumption, or if you're a creator looking for a fresh, effective, and potential lucrative way to connect with your audience, definitely check out the world of paid newsletters. With the market growing and the potential for direct connection and income, starting a paid newsletter could be the perfect step for your next creative journey. And for even more insights, head over to the MailerLite blog. I'll link to the article we talked about today down in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the wild and wonderful world of digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.